Picture this. You'll wake up tomorrow and half of everything you do at work is suddenly handled by artificial intelligence. Your first reaction might be panic, but what if I told you this could be the best thing that ever happened to your career? Today we're diving deep into how AI is about to revolutionize the way we work, and why losing half your tasks might actually set you free to become more valuable than ever before. Let's start with a reality check. AI isn't coming for your job in some distant future. It's already here, quietly transforming workplaces across every industry. From customer service chatbots handling routine inquiries to AI systems analyzing financial reports in seconds, machines are rapidly taking over repetitive, predictable tasks that once consumed hours of human time. But here's where most people get it wrong. They see AI as a threat when it's actually the greatest opportunity for professional growth we've seen in decades. Think about it this way. Every mundane task that AI takes off your plate is time you get back to focus on what humans do best: creativity, strategic thinking, relationship building, and complex problem solving. Consider Sarah, a marketing manager who used to spend 3 hours daily creating reports, scheduling social media posts, and analyzing basic metrics. When her company introduced AI tools, those tasks dropped to just 30 minutes of oversight. Suddenly, she had 2.5 extra hours to develop innovative campaign strategies, mentor her team, and build relationships with key clients. Her value to the company skyrocketed, and so did her salary. This isn't an isolated case. Across industries, we're seeing the same pattern emerge. Administrative assistants are transitioning from calendar management to strategic project coordination. Accountants are moving from data entry to financial advisory roles. Doctors are spending less time on paperwork and more time with patients. The common thread? AI handles the routine while humans focus on the meaningful. Now, let's talk about which tasks are most likely to be automated first. Generally, anything that follows predictable patterns, involves data processing, or requires minimal creative input is prime for AI takeover. This includes scheduling appointments, generating basic reports, sorting emails, processing invoices, creating standard documents, conducting initial customer screenings, and performing quality control checks. But don't worry, this doesn't mean these roles become obsolete. Instead, they evolve. A customer service representative might transition from answering basic questions to handling complex problem resolution and building customer relationships. An accountant might move from bookkeeping to strategic financial planning. The key is understanding that your role is expanding, not shrinking. The psychological shift required here is crucial. Instead of viewing AI as competition, start seeing it as the ultimate productivity tool. It's like having a tireless assistant who never gets bored with repetitive work, never makes calculation errors, and can process information at superhuman speeds. This partnership between human creativity and AI efficiency is where the magic happens. Let's examine some real-world examples of this transformation in action. In healthcare, AI systems now handle appointment scheduling, insurance verification, and basic symptom assessment, freeing doctors to spend more quality time diagnosing complex cases and providing emotional support to patients. Patient satisfaction scores have increased significantly in facilities that have embraced this model. In finance, AI algorithms process thousands of transactions and flag potential fraud in milliseconds, allowing human analysts to focus on investigating sophisticated threats and developing new security protocols. Banks using this approach have seen both improved security and higher employee satisfaction as workers engage in more intellectually stimulating tasks. The legal industry provides another compelling example. AI can now review contracts for standard clauses and potential issues in minutes rather than hours. This allows lawyers to concentrate on strategy development, client counseling, and complex case analysis. Junior associates who once spent years doing document review can now engage in higher-level legal thinking much earlier in their careers. But here's the crucial part. This transition isn't automatic. You need to actively prepare for it. The professionals who thrive in this new landscape are those who develop what I call AI complementary skills. These are abilities that become more valuable, not less, as AI handles routine tasks. First, focus on developing your emotional intelligence. While AI can process data and follow instructions, it cannot read between the lines of human behavior, navigate complex interpersonal dynamics, or provide genuine empathy during difficult situations. These uniquely human skills become exponentially more valuable as AI handles the technical heavy lifting. Second, cultivate your creative problem-solving abilities. AI excels at finding solutions within defined parameters, but humans excel at reframing problems, thinking outside established boxes, and connecting seemingly unrelated concepts in innovative ways. The future belongs to people who can see problems from multiple angles and devise creative solutions. Third, develop your strategic thinking capabilities. While AI can analyze data and identify patterns, humans are needed to interpret these insights within broader contexts, consider long-term implications, and make decisions that align with organizational values and goals. Strategic thinking cannot be automated because it requires wisdom, judgment, and understanding of nuanced human factors. Communication skills represent another crucial area for development. As AI handles routine correspondence and data presentation, human communication becomes focused on persuasion, inspiration, leadership, and complex explanation. The ability to translate technical concepts into accessible language, build consensus among diverse stakeholders, and motivate teams toward common goals becomes increasingly valuable. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: job security fears. It's natural to feel anxious about AI's rapid advancement, but history shows us that technological revolutions create more opportunities than they eliminate. The Industrial Revolution didn't end human work, it transformed it. The computer revolution didn't eliminate jobs, it created entirely new industries. The AI revolution follows the same pattern. Consider the emergence of completely new job categories that didn't exist 5 years ago. AI prompt engineers, machine learning ethicists, human-AI collaboration specialists, and automated system oversight managers. These roles combine human judgment with AI capabilities, creating hybrid positions that leverage the strengths of both. The key to thriving in this transition is adopting a growth mindset. Instead of asking, "How do I compete with AI?" ask, "How do I collaborate with AI to become more effective?" This mental shift opens up possibilities you might not have considered. Maybe that AI tool that automates your reporting tasks gives you time to pursue additional training, take on leadership responsibilities, or develop expertise in emerging areas. Timing is also important to consider. This transformation isn't happening overnight. Most experts predict that the full integration of AI into workplace processes will occur gradually over the next 5 to 10 years. This gives you time to prepare, adapt, and position yourself advantageously for the changes ahead. Start by identifying which of your current tasks could potentially be automated. Be honest about this assessment. Then, think about the higher value activities you could pursue with the time that AI assistance would free up. Maybe you could mentor junior colleagues, develop new business relationships, or pursue innovative projects that have been sitting on the back burner. Next, begin experimenting with AI tools in your current role. Many platforms offer free or low-cost access to AI assistants, writing tools, data analysis software, and automation systems. By familiarizing yourself with these technologies now, you'll be prepared to leverage them effectively as they become more prevalent in your industry. The economic implications of this shift are also worth considering. Companies that successfully integrate AI typically see significant productivity gains, which often translate into business growth and expansion. This creates new opportunities for human workers who can effectively collaborate with AI systems. Rather than replacing human jobs entirely, AI often leads to job transformation and the creation of new, higher-value positions. Think about customer service as an example. While AI chatbots handle routine inquiries, companies still need human representatives for complex issues, sales conversations, and relationship management. However, these human roles become more sophisticated and typically command higher compensation because they require advanced skills like emotional intelligence, creative problem-solving, and strategic thinking. The education and training landscape is already adapting to these changes. Universities and professional development programs are increasingly incorporating AI collaboration into their curricula. Learning to work effectively with AI systems is becoming as fundamental as computer literacy was 20 years ago. For individuals, this means continuously updating your skill set and staying curious about technological developments in your field. The professionals who will be most successful are those who view AI as an enabler of human potential rather than a replacement for human workers. As we look toward this AI-integrated future, remember that the goal isn't to become more like machines, but to become more distinctly human. AI handles the routine so that you can focus on the creative, strategic, and interpersonal aspects of work that bring real fulfillment and create genuine value. The transformation ahead isn't just about changing how we work, it's about rediscovering what makes human contribution unique and irreplaceable. When AI takes care of the mundane, humans are free to innovate, inspire, and make the kind of meaningful impact that no algorithm can replicate. So, instead of fearing the day when AI handles half your tasks, start preparing to make the most of it. The future belongs to those who can dance with the machines, not compete against them. Your career transformation starts now.